Alright, this is a video on my no crank, no start issue for this car. This is a 1997 BMW 540i. Alright, as you see, turn the key, nothing. Alright, so what I did, I recently bought, a new ignition switch, because I thought it was an ignition switch. Ignition switch is right here. This is the ignition switch. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there. Alright, I bought that new ignition switch. I put it in, and obviously, as you see, nothing's happening. So my next step is just to pop the hood, check the fuses, see if it's the EWS, and if it is, I'll go ahead and post it up and let you guys know what happened, because I know there's quite a few people out there that's having the same issue. And I've looked on forums and checked online, and there's no real answers to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this video, and hope I can solve this problem. So if anybody else anybody else had this issue, they can save some money, not go to the damn dealership. All right.